here with another everything's regular video. Man, thanks for tuning in today, man. The freaking the road glide is broke, man. So trying to figure out what we're gonna do with that. Meanwhile, you guys know we had a bunch of sets of wheels and stuff at the house, so about to go get rid of a couple of pair of those. And then we're gonna be checking on the green bike today. I'm hoping the green road glide should be ready because we still haven't even got a first ride on it, man. So I'm about to hit up BBV, see what's going on with that. Meanwhile, the 2020 is at Harley right now. So we're trying to find a gearbox or a gear set for that. Hopefully I can find that today. If so, we'll be able to get that bike fixed, hopefully, before the weekend. At least that's what I hope. But, you know, without further ado, man, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right to it, dog. All right, quick update. We did call BBV. The green thing is pretty much ready. They're waiting on like one little vent part. So we got that exhaust leak taken care of as well. Everything on that should be good to go. Can't wait to get that bike back because that thing looks amazing. Like, I love the green on that bike. So can't wait to get that bike, ride that thing. I won't be breaking that one because that one is like a stock bike, man. You know, me and stock bikes, we go hand in hand. Me and horsepower bikes, it's like, I don't know my limits yet on that bike. It's like, I'm thinking it's like a stock bike where you can go balls to the wall, but apparently it's not that, man. So we'll see what else we can get done today, man. Alrighty, guys, we made it back to the crib. Mama set up over there. Now, definitely going to be putting the front wheel on the CVO because that thing is going to look so much better than this chrome wheel. I mean, the chrome looks good, but the black just looks so much more aggressive. So let's get this thing set up, pulled out, and then get it set up on the jack stand real quick. Alrighty, guys, so we got that black wheel on there. Definitely looks more aggressive. I like that look a lot better, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it so far. She got the Toy Story all out, so excuse the background if that's what you hear. But it is looking good. I even like it with the tour pack on there with these black wheels. But you know me, man. I'm thinking about taking this tour pack off, and I think that's what I'm going to do. It has to look more like mine, and that's the only way we're going to achieve that goal, man. So let's snatch that tour pack off. Alrighty, guys, we got that thing switched out. We got the tour pack off, got the wheels on there. Man, that thing is looking good. I ain't gonna even hold you. It looking like this looks so much better. And then with the tour pack, this thing looks aggressive as heck. Now, I wish I had a chain on here where I could pop wheelies and stuff. But, I mean, you know, it is what it is. Come here. She let her play in the rain, boy. Then get mad when I tell her to get out the rain. Anywho, bike is looking good. It is looking clean. Really can't wait to ride it now. I'm excited, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. And we do have the tour pack over here. Nothing wrong with it. It looks good, but you guys know my flavor is more so riding without one. But we'll see how it goes, man. I can't wait. I think it's just about time for that first ride, man. So it looked like it started raining out here. Totally started raining. Look at the car. It's got water spots all over it. But we'll get that first ride here shortly, man. So stay tuned. We're going to get the garage cleaned back up because Mama done came through and made a mess. Got goldfish everywhere, man. So time to clean up, get the rest of these little wheels sewed and Get it going, man. Get ready for Rare Breed Weekend because we about to go up this weekend. I can't wait. Meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for the 2018 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. We got 2 different color hats, man. Either one will be your entry into the giveaway, man. So head over there right now and go get you one. But let's get this thing cleaned up real quick. All right, man, got the garage cleaned up and everything. Just about ready to pull this one back in. Waiting till my girl gets back so we can go on the first ride here. But just wanted to check it out with you guys here first. See if we can get another first start of some sort. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She looking real good now, man. I ain't gonna even hold you. I love this bike right here. This thing is looking really, really good. The designs and the graphics and everything on it look just top level. You guys let me know what you guys think about it. It's running and looking good. Can't wait to see if it rides good, man. What y'all think, though? Let me know in the comments below, dog. Alrighty, guys, man. Later on in the day, my guy is putting together his street glide, so he definitely needs some assistance. So I'm about to load this thing up because I definitely want to go on the first ride as well. So I'm gonna put a couple tools up in these bags and hit the road, man. We're gonna test this thing out in the process. So let's load it up and get up out of here. All right, man, so we just pulled up to the Hummy house. We got a few bikes here, and he's trying to put together this one. We got the paint set fresh from Antonio. That's a nice color.
Come on, man. I tried, man.
That's a nice color, man. We're gonna see if we can help him out and get him a little bit further in progress mode, rather. But we'll see what's up, man. All right, so we got his fender here. We're gonna put on. He said he's been having a difficulty putting on. It's not really that hard. Just gotta put these screws back on the side. He was pretty much all the way there, but we gonna mount it up and get that thing going, man. So we're gonna see what else we can finish on this bike. We'll probably get it all the way up to the inner and outer fairing and that thing will look that much complete. So let's get it. Alrighty, after like 20 minutes, we got the fender on there, side covers, gas tank. So if we step back from this point of view, we can get a better taste of how it's going to look at least. Got to get the saddlebag rail guards and stuff set up, but I'm gonna leave that up to him. Shoot, we ain't heard this thing start up in forever, man. Let's see. Battery dead. So we got it as far as we can get it. He needs some saddlebag bushings, but I guess he can do the outer fairing himself, and the inner fairing, we'll get to that, I guess, but y'all see it there, man. We about to take a ride up to Harley real quick and see if they got the bushings. Just made it to Harley. Things looking good. And this thing is huge. Let's see what they got in this joint for us, man. motherfucking seat warmer was on. Like my motherfucking nuts is hot. Alrighty guys, we done made it back to the house. This thing is running and riding excelente, man. I'm loving this bike. You guys know that 110 is always gonna be fast. I love the torque on this thing. Feeling marvelous, feeling great, man. What do you guys think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. I'm about to put this thing up and call it a good day. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got that CVO all taken care of. Got the tour pack taken off. Everything is looking great on that thing. We actually took a first ride on it, and that first ride was pretty dope. Got to link up with my buddy, help him out with some stuff, and made it safely back home, man. So in my book, that's a good day, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for the 2018 Road King back there, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you a camo hat, man. We got 2 different color camos, man. Either one will enter you into that giveaway, man. So make sure you go to everythingsregular.com and go copy you a hat right now. In the meantime, man, we are waiting for the wheels and stuff. Those should be done pretty much today or tomorrow. So, you know, whenever you guys see this, I should have the wheels by then, man. So can't wait to see those things on there, man. It's freaking hot out, and I'm about to call it a day, man. So with that being said, I'll have to catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.